So replacing the heater core in a Dodge Ram. I've got some tips to give you that'll help you after I've done it myself on a 2001 Dodge Ram. Like you, I watched all the YouTube videos on how to replace it, and these are some of the learnings I didn't see in the videos, and it'll definitely make your life easier. So tip number one, if you're using aftermarket part, non-OEM part, maybe from AutoZone, I'm talking about the heater core part, it won't be an exact fit. So trying to slide into the heater core box is just going to be a pain. But to fix that, all you do is just bang on the tubes and reshape them, and it will just slide in like that. So I know on other YouTube videos, I saw their quick and easy way to get it in is they just hack the tubes off and kind of splice it together. And this way, banging out the tubes, you don't have to do that, and it's just as fast. Tip number two, tape the top of the heater core box so the air stays in. If you're using an aftermarket part, it's not going to be exact fit, so you want to keep as much air in there in that box as you can so you get proper heat exchange. Tip number three, up by the firewall where the two inlet tubes go, inlet and outlet go, there is a clamp that holds them down, and then there's a screw that you gotta release. So I use a 1/4-inch wrench with a hex screw bit, and I was able to get the screw out, but had a hard time getting it in. I needed a kind of like a really fine micro driver, and I wish I had that. But it's just a tight spot, so to get that screw, I recommend getting a micro driver. Here's the thing. I know this video is these tips will help you. So if I get 100 thumbs up on this video, then I will actually go and source a bunch of micro drivers so you can buy them from me at a good price, and you can support my channel here. So that's my 3 tips, very quick and easy. I would just say what you want to do too is think about what may cause the heater core to fail. Is it like a grounding electrical problem, or just was there the maintenance not done on the coolant? I bought my Dodge Ram used, so I don't know all the history on it, but definitely if you want to think about those things, because if you don't solve that problem after you replace the heater core, it's going to happen again. You don't want to replace it again. But it took me about 4 hours to do. Not bad, right? So before I go, just want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I'm looking to get 100 thumbs up on this video. See you next time.